In this video, we'll look at both the class and student progress reports. Here is an example of a class progress report. And this is an example of a student report. We'll look at each of these reports separately, starting with the class progress report. Let's take a closer look at the class progress report. Under the report title is the class name and overall average for all the selected assignments. There is a table containing information on the selected assignments. For each assignment, you have the assignment name and its start date. Next is the assignment category and number of students in the class who have completed it. There's a column for the possible points for each assignment, and finally the class average for each assignment. The report also summarizes the possible points and class average for the term and overall. As with any report, you can create a PDF of the report by clicking the printer icon. You can also export the report as a CSV file by clicking the export button. And you can click the gear icon to access the report settings and run it again. Now that we know what the class report looks like, let's look at the steps to create one. First, I'll right-click my first class. Then, I'll click Progress Report. Since I've right-clicked a class, this will be a class progress report. Next, we can configure our report. You can filter the assignments that appear in the list by either selecting a term you created in the Classes and Assignments section or by selecting a date range. In the assignment list, you can select the assignments to be included in the report by clearing or selecting the checkbox next to the assignment. By default, all the assignments in the list are selected. You can also include student names if you like. After you've selected the settings, click OK to generate the report. This is the resulting class progress report. Because of its valuable summary information, this report is a great place to start when reviewing your class's progress. But it also allows you to drill down to get more information about individual assignments and students. Next to each assignment is a document icon which will open the class assignment results report. The class had a lower average score on the Chapter 1 test. Let's click the icon next to that report to get more information about that assignment. The class assignment results report is similar to the gradebook report, which is discussed in another video. There's a list of your student and their scores for the assignment. For each student, you have the total points they earned, the total points available for the assignments, their grade percentage, the number of attempts they made, as well as when they started the assignment and how long they spent on it. There's a section of class statistics including the median, mean, low and high scores, range, and standard deviation. There is also a frequency distribution across 5 grade ranges and a graph that summarizes this data. Next to each student is a document icon which will open the student assignment results report for that student. Amy has the lowest score on this assignment. Let's click the icon next to her name to open her assignment results. The student assignment results report shows the student's answers to all the questions on an individual assignment. Notice again that there is a document icon next to the score that will allow us to access the assignment review report for this student. Let's click that icon and drill down one more time. The student assignment review report shows the questions the student answered incorrectly and other valuable question information. As we've drilled down to other reports, each one is opened in a separate tab, making it easy to navigate between them. So you can see how easy it is to start with a class progress report and then drill down to get more information. We've already seen how we can drill down from the class progress report to a student progress report. Now, let's look at how you can create a student progress report directly. First, let's click the arrow next to the first class so we can see a list of students. Now, let's right-click Marty's name to get a list of reports. Then we'll click Progress Report. The options for running a student progress report are similar to those for running a class report, with a couple of exceptions. For student progress reports, you can choose a student from a drop-down list. This is helpful if you selected the wrong student or if you want to rerun an existing report for another student. For a student report, you can also choose to include class averages in the report. Let's click the checkbox in the heading row to select all the available assignment and then click OK. Here is the resulting student progress report. From this report, we can drill down to the assignment results report, and then down to the assignment review report. And that's an overview of the class and student progress reports.